How to set up Notion on your device. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to set up Notion, create a new account. What you're gonna do is launch the application on your device. After you do that, over here you can see that you can log into your account from your Google, Apple, Microsoft, Passkey, SSO or email. However, if you do not have an account previously and have to create a new one, what you can do is tap on this new user sign up. Tap on sign up, then it will ask you for your email. You can either enter your email or you can continue with your Google or your Apple account. So, choose any one of the following. After you do that, Notion is setting you up. Over here you can see how do you want to use Notion, so you can select any one of them and then tap on next. Now as you can see, I have already successfully set up my Notion account. So this is how you can do it easily. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope the video was helpful to you and see you in the next one.